Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm bringing you news of the new prize draw for October, and it's a biggie. This month the prize is the 1/24th scale Spitfire flying Dray kit from Airfix. Now this superb kit features the outstanding Airfix Supermarine Spitfire Mk.IX in 1/24th scale with some added extras. To commemorate the occasion in World War II when Spitfires flew kegs of beer to British troops after D-Day, this kit includes some resin cast beer barrels and bomb racks, as well as a resin overload slipper fuel tank and a paint mask set for all the canopies. Now on top of that, this kit also has with it a special edition pint glass. Now altogether this set retails at a penny under £120 on the Airfix online store, but you could win it for just £1. What you have to do is go to the link shown here. It's repeated in the information box below. Once you register, you must answer a very simple question using your skill and judgment. I'm sure you'll get it right. Then you can buy tickets for the draw. Each ticket costs £1. There are multi-buy offers should you wish to buy more. The prize draw will run until the end of the day on Saturday 18th of October 2025 UK time. Immediately after the competition closes, my online partner, Raffle, will independently and at random select a winning ticket. If you have won, I'll notify you by email, so do please make sure your email address is correct when you register. I will then send you the prize at my own expense, no matter where in the world you are. Best of all, 10% of the revenue from the competition will be sent automatically to Models for Heroes. This excellent charity supports former and serving members of the armed forces and blue light responders who are dealing with mental health issues as a result of their service to our country. The prize draw is open now. Remember, it runs until the end of the day on 18th of October. I wish you the very best of luck if you enter. Thanks so very much for watching today, and goodbye.